Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Or if you're new here, I'm Stefan Davis, and today I want to share my beginner investing journey using the Trading 212 app. I'll show you exactly why I chose to invest in Realty Income and the S&P 500 as my first two picks and how easy it actually was. When I first started, I had absolutely no clue what I was doing. I just wanted to start somewhere, and I heard the Trading 212 app lets you buy fractional shares, so I gave it a shot. So one of the first stocks that I chose was Realty Income. And why, you may ask? It was mainly because they're known for paying monthly dividends, which is really cool if you're just starting out and you want to see results quickly. The second stock I chose was the S&P 500 ETF. I chose the S&P 500 mainly because it tracks the top 500 US companies. So it's like owning a small piece of Apple or Microsoft, Google, and more. I try to invest a little bit every month, nothing too fancy, a bit into Realty Income for the dividends, and a bit into the S&P 500 for long-term growth. My experiences so far with using the Trading 212 app, if I'm being honest, I love it. It's so easy to use. It's so click friendly, user friendly. It's only been a few months, but I'm learning. I've seen a few dividends land. I'm watching my investments grow slowly, and it's honestly exciting. I'm not chasing quick wins, I'm just building over time. My advice for beginners. The Trading 212 app is incredibly easy to use. It's very straightforward, and there's lots of options there to choose from different stocks. And if you're watching this and you haven't started yet, my advice would be just to go for it. Take that leap and just try. Start with low amounts, gradually work your way up, maybe in a couple of solid investments like the S&P 500. But of course, do your own research and give it a bash. All right, that's my little investing journey so far. If you found this helpful, give it a like, maybe subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Have you started investing? Thinking about it? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.